Discover this beautifully updated 2-bed/2-bath chalet boasting spectacular long-range mountain views. The main level has the master bedroom, complete with a walk-in closet and main-level laundry with new washer and dryer, ensures convenience and comfort. The living room features a stunning stacked stone gas log fireplace and large windows that fill the space with natural light. The kitchen is equipped with newer appliances, just 4 years old. The home features durable wood floors and Hardie board-style siding for low maintenance. Upstairs, you'll find a second bedroom with breathtaking mountain views, a full bathroom with a tub/shower combo, and a versatile bonus room. Outside, relax in the beautiful gardens while soaking in the serenity of nature and mountain vistas. The property offers privacy without being too remote, with a double-fenced yard and a gated driveway entrance for added security. Conveniently located, the mostly paved road leads you just minutes to downtown Hayesville, Lake Chatuge, and a short drive to historic Murphy, North Carolina, and Hiawassee.